Hello everyone, today I will walk you through the steps of enabling low data mode on your iPhone with the latest iOS 17 operating system. Low data mode is a valuable feature designed to help you control data consumption, providing better management of your internet usage, and assisting in data savings. In a world where we frequently connected to the internet through mobile data, these features can be a game changer in managing costs. So let's dive right in. Begin by opening the settings on your iPhone. Click on the cellular or mobile data option. The naming may vary, but the goal is to access your mobile data settings. Next, find and click on Cellular Data option. Here, you'll see the Low Data Mode option. Toggle the switch next to Low Data Mode to enable this feature. Activating Low Data Mode will reduce mobile data usage by halting automatic updates and background tasks that require an active internet connection. If you do not find the mentioned path because you have an earlier iOS version, use the search bar and settings. Type Data Mode and you will find Low Data Mode. And there you have it! You successfully enabled Low Data Mode on your iPhone running iOS 17, giving you a better control over your data usage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more useful tips and guides. Bye bye!